Good morning students. Welcome back to Maths Classroom. Today in our this session we are going to discuss about the exercise 2.1 of the chapter linear equation in one variable. In the introduction part we have studied about two methods to solving linear equations, and the first method is balancing method and the second method is transposing method. So today we are using these solutions to find out the answer of the given equations. So let us start with our exercise 2.1 question number first. So the first question of exercise 2.1 is you have to solve the given equation, and the equation is x minus 2 is equal to 7. So you will use the balancing method, and what is the balancing method? You have to operate the same operation on both the sides, on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. And what is our requirement? We want that the variable is on only the variable is on the left hand side. No constant value, no coefficient value, nothing should be there, only the variable part is on the left hand side. So we have x minus 2 is equal to 7. So we want only x on the left hand side, we want to remove minus 2. So what is the method to remove minus 2? We will operate it on the opposite sign. So here the sign is, I add 2 here, I also have to add 2 on right hand side. So how it is, x minus 2 is equal to 7. So if I add 2 on the left hand side, I have to add 2 on the right hand side also. So minus 2 plus 2 will become 0. So x plus 0 is equal to x, and 7 plus 2 will become equal to 9. So the value of x comes out to be 9. This is the balancing method that we have used in this question. Now the second one is solve the following: y plus 3 is equal to 10. The same method you have to use, y plus 3 is equal to 10. So to remove plus 3 we have to operate it with the opposite sign, that is minus 3. So here also we have to write minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 will become equal to 0, y plus 0 will become equal to y, and 10 minus 3 will become equal to 7. That means the value of y come out to be 7. Third question, solve the following: 6 is equal to z plus 2. 6 equals to z plus 2. So here we want to remove this 2. So we have to operate with the opposite sign, that is minus 2 here and minus 2 here. So this will become 0. So z is equal to 4. So the answer come out to be 4. Fourth one, solve the following: 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. The same method you have to use, the balancing method. So we can write it as x plus 3 by 7 is equal to 17 by 7. So what you have to do, you have to remove this plus 3 by 7. That means you have to operate it with the opposite sign. Operate it with opposite sign. So opposite of plus is minus, that is minus 3 by 7 on this side and minus 3 by 7 on this side. So this plus 3 by 7 and minus 3 by 7 will become equal to 0. So we will left with x only, and here it is, we will take the LCM as 7. 17 minus 3, it's come out to be 14. So 7 2s are 14. So the value of x come out to be 2. So we have, what we have do, we have operate it with the opposite sign, that is x plus 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7, 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So here we will come out as x is equal to 2. Fifth one, solve the following: 6x is equal to 12. So we have to operate with opposite sign. Here 6 is multiplied with x. Now what you have to do, you have to divide it with 6 on both sides, because here multiplication sign is there and we have to apply the opposite sign. So opposite of multiplication is division. So whenever multiplication is given you have to divide, whenever division is given you have to multiply. So 6 will cancel 6 and 6 2s are 12. So the value of x come out to be 2. Sixth one, solve the following: t by 5 is equal to 10. So as I have told you, whenever multiplication is there you have to divide, and whenever division is there you have to multiply on both sides. So 5 will cancel 5, t is equal to 50. In this way you will find out the value of the variable Seventh one, solve the following. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Here both multiplication and division are given. So what you have to do, the number which is in division you have to multiply by that number, and the number that is in multiplication you have to divide it by that number. That means you have to write the opposite of 2 by 3. So the opposite of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Here also opposite of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So 3 will cancel 3, 2 will cancel 2, and 2 nines are, so 9 threes are 27. So value of x is 27. A simple way is there. Whatever it is given with the variable, you have to remove that by applying the opposite operation. If plus is given, you have to apply the subtraction. If multiplication is given, you have to apply the division. If division is given, you have to apply the multiplication. Main purpose is to remove all the constants, all the coefficients from the variable. We want only the variable on the left hand side, so we will apply the operation and remove all these things. Only we will left with the variable on left hand side, and the answer come out to be 27. Next one, 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. The same way you have to use, or you can use the transposing method also. What is the transposing method? If you are taking some number on the opposite direction, you have to change the sign. If you are taking minus 8 on this side, you have to change the sign and it will become plus 8. That is 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. So 14y is equal to 21, and y is equal to, here 14 is on multiplication. Whenever it go to the right side, it will goes out in the division. So value of y is come out to be 21 by 14. You can use this method, or you can use the balancing method also, which is given here. Question number 11, solve the following. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Here balancing method is used. 17 is in plus, so we will operate it on the minus. So we will write minus 17 on both sides. So 17 cancel, 6p is equal to minus 8. Here 6p, 6 is in multiplication, so we will divide it, and minus 8 by 6 also. Here we will get the value of p is equal to minus 4 by 3. 12th one, solve the following. X divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So the same thing you have to do. Here 1 is in plus, so we will operate it with minus on both the sides. Here 7 by 15 minus 1, we can write this 1 as 1 by 1. LCM of 15 and 1 is 15. 15 ones are 15, so we will write 7 as it is. 1 15s are 15, so we will multiply here by 15. The answer is minus 8 by 15. So the value of x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. So here 3 is in division, so we will operate it with the opposite sign, that is multiplication. So we will multiply 3 both sides, and the answer come out to be x is equal to minus 8 by 5. So in this way we will solve the questions. Let's try to solve all the problems first by yourself, then you will see the solution here. And if any doubt is there, please comment in the comment box and ask your doubt. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.